Hello everybody, I'm Jonathan. In the last class I show how to do the practice of Shitali Pranayama. In the class today I would like to demonstrate the practice of Shittakrin Pranayama. Now both of these pranayamas are cooling pranayamas and they are giving almost similar effect. Now in Shitali Pranayama we curl the tongue in that way. Now, some people just cannot do it. So for them, Shittakrin Pranayama is a very good replacement. In Shitali Pranayama, we breathe in that way. So the teeth are together and the tongue is stick to the roof of the mouth. This kind of breathing brings cool, heavy air into the body. Now, the energies pranayama tend to go, like in Shitali Pranayama, down to Svadhisthana Chakra. Svadhisthana Chakra is 2 fingers above the pubic bone. This energetic center is related to sensuality, sexuality, and kind of to a dreamy mind. Qualities that usually we don't want to bring up in any spiritual tradition. So if you don't want to amplify this area, then during the practice, while we are holding the breathing, then focus on any higher chakra than Svadhisthana Chakra. You can focus either on Manipura, on the navel area, heart chakra, throat chakra, or the brain chakras. Now, in this pranayama, the first step is to do full yogic breathing. We breathe to the belly expands, then the ribs expand to the sides, then we breathe up to the chest. Then we hold the breath, close the eyes, and focus on the chakras that we want to arouse, or on a certain area in the body that is overheated. Let's say you did lots of Bhastrika, and then you have lots of fire in the belly or on the head. Then you can just focus on these areas, and they will tend to cool down after some time. We're going to hold the breathing for about 10 seconds. Then we slowly exhale through the nose till the lungs are completely empty. This is one round. Now, if you're a beginner to pranayama, then relax for some time and breathe normally, then start a new round. If you have some experience in pranayama, then after the exhalation, hold the breath for 3, 4, 5 seconds, then immediately start a new round. You inhale, the belly expands, the ribs expands, the chest, you hold the breath, you close the eyes and focus. Then again, slowly you exhale through the nose till the lungs are completely empty. Just remember the golden rules of pranayama. Never force the practice. And if by any chance you have headaches, dizziness or any other discomfort, then stop the practice and lie down for some time.
Sit comfortably with a straight spine and start the inhalation. Inhale to the belly, midsection and chest. Hold the breath and focus on the heart chakra. Slowly exhale through the nose till the lungs are completely empty and rest a bit. And again, deep inhalation to the belly, midsection, chest. Hold the breath and focus on the heart. And exhale through the nose till the lungs are completely empty. Again, deep inhalation to the belly, midsection and chest. Hold the breath and focus on the heart chakra. And exhale through the nose till the lungs are empty. And again, inhale to the belly, midsection and chest. Hold the breath and focus on the heart. And exhale through the nose till the lungs are completely empty. Last one, deep inhalation. Hold the breath and focus on the heart. and exhale completely through the nose. In the end of the practice, stay with the eyes closed and observe the effects. Cooling of the body and the arousal of Anahata Chakra, increased feeling of love and affection.
I recommend to start the practice in about 10 rounds or 5 minutes, and then very gradually increase the number of rounds till about 20, and the time of practice till about 10 minutes. Now, remember the golden rules of pranayama. If you have any discomfort, headaches, dizziness, or anything like that, then stop the practice and lie down for some time. Never force any practice of pranayama. Today we learn how to perform Shittakriya pranayama. In the next classes, I'm going to show more exercises, how to activate the chakras, and also how to activate and control Kundalini energy. Now, if you're interested to learn more pranayamas in depth, so please press the subscribe button and the bell next to it to receive instant notifications. So, thank you very much and namaste.